I feel an aching when you step into my body.